Students, in the last module, I have explained you about the meristematic tissue made up of meristematic cells and which shows the ability to divide continuously. But now we are going to start with the permanent tissues. Permanent tissues, they are made up of cells. The cells which are formed by the meristematic division. Since the meristematic division is continuous and the multiplication of cell there is also continuous, those cells, those newly manufactured cells, they mature, they grow, and after a certain time they loses their capacity to divide further. Once their division is ceased, they then undergo a process of taking up of permanent shape, size and function. So once the division is stopped of those cells, they take up a specific job or specific role. So taking up of this specific role, it's a process, and the process is termed as cell differentiation. So students, therefore we may say that permanent tissues are formed by the growth of meristematic tissues and can be called as mature meristematic tissues. So the first that we are going to discuss is the simple permanent tissues. Before entering into the type of this simple permanent tissues, or which is also termed as supportive tissues, let us have a look on their certain general features. They are simple permanent tissue. They are simple simply because the cells out there of these tissues are structurally simple and not complex. They are made up of one type of cells. So, in the next slide, I would show you that they are made up of one type of cells. See, all the cells, they are similar to each other, and structurally they are very simple. So the next point says that the cells may be dead or alive, thin-walled or thick-walled. So they are made up of cells which are maybe dead or alive, or here you can see they are thin-walled. This very thin black lining, they are thin-walled. Here you may see the maroon filling after the black thin lining. This signifies the thickness of the wall. Okay, so we will now study about the three types of permanent or the simple permanent tissue. So what are they? Parenchyma, collenchyma, and this one is sclerenchyma.